Picture this: crispy, golden fries, juicy roasted chicken, or perfectly toasted bread, all ready in minutes with barely any oil. The Tefal Infrared Air Fryer. 6-quart digital touchscreen, 7-in-1 cooking functions makes it happen. With groundbreaking infrared technology, a 45-second heat up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, and innovative no-shake design, this 1500-watt air fryer solves everyday cooking woes while delivering healthier, restaurant-worthy dishes. We'll uncover why this air fryer is a must for busy families, health-conscious cooks, and flavor chasers. Let's explore what makes it a kitchen superstar. What makes the Tefal Infrared Air Fryer special? Air fryers are everywhere, but the Tefal Infrared Air Fryer stands out with its Premium Infra-Heat Technology. It mimics the rich, smoky flavors of open-fire cooking while keeping food juicy and crispy using minimal oil. Its sleek black design, intuitive digital touchscreen, and 6-quart capacity make it both a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you're air frying snacks, roasting a whole chicken, or baking a quick dessert, this air fryer delivers consistent, mouth-watering results. Here's how it tackles common cooking frustrations. No preheating delays. Heats to 750 degrees Fahrenheit in just 45 seconds. No need to shake, even cooking without mid-cook interruptions. Healthier recipes, cuts calories and fat with little to no oil. Versatile options. 7 cooking modes for endless possibilities. Let's dive into the features, performance, and benefits that make this air fryer a game changer. Standout features for effortless cooking. The Tefal Infrared Air Fryer is loaded with features that simplify cooking while boosting flavor. Here's the breakdown. Infrared technology. A carbon fiber heating element hits 750 degrees Fahrenheit in 45 seconds, locking in juices and delivering deep, even heat for bold flavors. No shake technology. Tefal's Infra 26 airflow design ensures uniform cooking so you don't need to pause and shake the basket. Ideal for up to 300 grams of fries. 7-in-1 cooking modes: air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, toast, and the unique crispy finish mode for a golden crunch in minutes. 6-quart capacity. Spacious enough for a 3-pound chicken or meals for 2 to 4, perfect for families or entertaining. Always. On-lighted window. Check your food's progress without opening the basket, maintaining heat for flawless results. PTFE non-stick basket. Easy food release and a dishwasher-safe crisper tray make cleanup quick and painless. Quiet and efficient. Runs at 1550 watts with low noise and energy-saving performance. Why you'll love it. Key benefits. The Tefal Infrared Air Fryer isn't just a gadget, it's a kitchen upgrade. Here's why it's worth it. Saves time. No preheating and fast cooking cut meal prep in half compared to ovens. Healthier meals. Minimal oil means lower fat and calories without losing flavor. Pro-level results. Infrared heat delivers crispy, juicy dishes that taste chef-made. At a budget-friendly price point, this air fryer packs premium features, making it a great value for shoppers. Who should buy this air fryer? This air fryer is a fit for busy families. Feeds 2 to 4 with quick, easy meals in its 6-quart basket. Health-conscious cooks. Perfect for fried food lovers wanting less oil. Small space cooks. Its 14 by 15-inch size suits apartments, dorms, or RVs. Party hosts. Whip up appetizers or full meals for small gatherings. Tech lovers. The digital interface and modern design appeal to gadget fans. From beginners to seasoned cooks, this air fryer makes cooking approachable and fun. Solving everyday cooking challenges. The Tefal Infrared Air Fryer addresses kitchen headaches. Slow preheating. Gone with instant 750 degree Fahrenheit heat up. Uneven results. no shake technology, and 360-degree airflow ensure consistency. Cleanup hassles. Non-stick surfaces and dishwasher-safe parts simplify things. Small kitchens. Compact design with big capacity. Unhealthy frying. Crispy textures with minimal oil for healthier indulgence. These fixes make it a go-to for anyone fed up with traditional cooking methods. The bottom line, should you buy it? The Tefal Infrared Air Fryer stand out, blending speed, health, and flavor. Its infrared technology, no-shake design, and 7-in-1 versatility make it a top choice, despite small quirks like a sensitive touchscreen or tray holes. For families, health buffs, or anyone craving easy, tasty meals, it's a no-brainer. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.